Today we will make mouth-watering chutneys and raitas. Chutneys take the pakoras and samosas to another level, and raitas can save the day when the biryani is too spicy. Let's make 2 different chutneys and 3 different raitas that people will think you spent the whole day making, but only you'll know the real truth. Chalo, let's go. Hello, I'm Masala Mama. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and press the bell icon to get notified as soon as our new videos are posted. For a cool mint chutney, you'll need 1 cup fresh mint leaves, half a cup fresh cilantro, half cup fresh tomato, 1/4 cup diced onion, 2 tablespoons chopped green chillies, mine are medium hot, 1 teaspoon aamchoor powder or mango powder, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon lemon or lime juice. Roughly chop the mint and cilantro. It's important to note here that cilantro must be washed thoroughly to remove dirt from roots. In this chutney, you should add the tender stems of cilantro as they hold a lot of flavor. Chop and keep aside. Roughly dice the onion. It makes it easier to grind. And chop the chili. Use more if you like it spicy. Dice the tomato. Use a ripe but firm tomato if possible. Now here I'm adding everything to my mini chopper. You can use a blender or magic bullet. Grind for 20 to 30 seconds or until you have the consistency you want in your chutney. I like mine a little coarse, like this, so I can taste different textures. This chutney goes well with pakoras and as a side condiment with roti and veggie curry. You can store this in a clean jar with the lid for up to 1 week in the fridge. Imli Chutney or tamarind chutney. For this you'll need 50 grams of imli paste, also known as tamarind, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 to 1 1/4 cup water. Remove the paste from the packaging and break up into smaller chunks. This one has seeds and fibers, which I will remove later. Place the imli in 1 cup of hot water and let it soak for about 15 minutes. To speed up the process, you can place the imli and water in the microwave, covered for about 30 seconds instead. Place a sieve over a saucepan and drop the imli onto it. Press down firmly to release the pulp into the pan. You may have to add water, a couple of tablespoons at a time, to help wash out the pulp from the seeds and fibers. Remove seeds and fibers and discard. Don't forget to check the other side of the sieve that will have smooth pulp hanging onto it. Wipe it down into the pan. Now add the sugar, salt, and the chili powder. Mix it up. Place the saucepan over medium heat and let it come to a simmer and wait until the sugar starts dissolving. This won't take too long, 5 to 7 minutes. This chutney looks very thin, but will thicken a little bit once it's cooled. This is the chutney of choice for samosas. Once cooled, you can store this in an airtight jar in the fridge for up to 3 months. Raitas are yogurt-based condiments used to eat alongside any main dish. For basic Boondi Raita, you'll need 3/4 cup plain yogurt, half a teaspoon roasted ground cumin powder, 1 cup hot water, milk for diluting the yogurt if needed, and 1/3 cup boondi. You can find these fried chickpea flour pearls at any South Asian grocery store. For added crunch, You can add diced onions, cucumber, tomatoes, and some cilantro, which I'll show you at the end. Place the boondi in 1 cup of very hot water and let it soak 3 to 5 minutes. They should be soft and spongy, like this. Remove the spongy balls and lightly squeeze out excess water. Place in a bowl and let them cool, as sometimes hot boondi can curdle the yogurt. Now add the yogurt in a cup. I'm using Greek yogurt, but you can use any plain yogurt you normally use at home. And add some milk and then whisk until you reach a thin but not very watery consistency. Add more milk if you need. It should almost look like a crepe batter. You want the yogurt to be thin so it fills up the little spongy holes in the boondi. Pour over the boondi and gently mix to avoid breaking the pieces. Now you have the option to add some diced onion, cucumber, tomato, and cilantro for added crunch and taste. Sprinkle with cumin powder and mix. There's no need for salt, as you'll find the cumin is quite flavorful on its own. This raita goes well with biryani and pulao and can be stored in the fridge for up to 2 days. Kachoomer Raita. You will need 1/4 cup each diced tomato and cucumber, 2 tablespoons finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon each chopped mint and cilantro, half a teaspoon roasted ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup plain yogurt, and some milk to dilute if needed. Place the yogurt in a cup. Add milk and whisk. Add more yogurt or milk if needed to make a thin, watery consistency, enough to coat the back of a spoon. Add all the chopped vegetables and herbs into a bowl. Pour yogurt over them and mix. Now add the salt and cumin powder and mix well. This makes for a very refreshing raita. It has the crunchiness of the vegetables and the smooth taste of the yogurt, and it's very cooling to the palate. This is perfect for having with a spicy biryani. This raita, because it's yogurt based, can only be kept in the fridge for up to 2 days. The most popular raita is the cucumber raita. You need 1/2 cup of grated cucumber and 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. Take out the yogurt in a bowl and mix it. If you're using Greek yogurt, you may have to thin it out. If you're using regular or 2% yogurt, don't worry about it. The water from the cucumber will thin it out. Using a large grater, grate the cucumber. Cucumbers are watery. Don't squeeze out the water. This will help in diluting the yogurt once we mix them together. Pour the grated cucumber into the yogurt and mix it well. Leave it for a few minutes and let the liquid from the cucumber thin out the yogurt, and then you can mix it again. This is the simplest raita you'll ever make. Wow! In a very short amount of time, you've learned to make 3 raitas and 2 chutneys, and it didn't even take that long. Congratulations! You can serve the raitas with chaat masala. I'll show you how to make chaat masala at home in a future video. Until then, I hope you've enjoyed our video today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Masala Mama out!